want us to get kicked out.
It might happen.
Just tell Lana stuff.
Well, Daisy, I might.
I'll be supporting Lana on this.
Yeah. Lana's actually really nice.
I know, I used to be friends with them, genius.
Yeah, she's great. I mean, the majority of our science lessons was just me and bullying Lana and then feeling bad with Lana when we really got bad.
No, you should be bullying Macaulay.
Because he doesn't shut up.
He's so annoying.
We sit there in physics and he just goes on and on.
He's like Miss Woodfield.
I tell him to shut up and he doesn't stop, and then Lana says before we stop, I have a headache. She says it every lesson, so he's like, that's not true. She's like, it's true this time, Macaulay, I swear.
It's true because you're talking to me.
Yeah.
It only happens when you talk to me. So, he's like Miss Woodfield, you'll be holding a page like, don't forget to put it back down.
Miss Woodfield's obsession with our class so much.
I don't know. Our class, well, we're actually a class, we are basically, we literally
We're
are
the
bigger.
size of a class.
We're bigger than a class when all of us are there.
There you go, Charlie.
Bye.
Go on, get out, get lost. Get off. Bye.